My brothers, my sisters, thereafter we had the beautiful verses of the surah continue. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Allah chooses to mention His names and qualities, commencing with the most merciful, the most beneficent, the most kind, the most forgiving. These beautiful qualities of Allah, because the world is hopeless. The world is filled with hopelessness, but it is the Almighty who restores your hope. You have hope in what? In whom? In Allah. Allah alone will solve your problems. Allah alone will grant you goodness. Allah alone will protect you from harm. Allah alone will cure you. Allah alone will sustain you. Allah alone will fulfill your needs. Allah alone will grant you the protection that you need from the enemy, from the devil, from loss, from sickness, from disease, from all negativity. That is Allah, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. He is the most merciful, He is the most kind, He is the most compassionate, the most beneficent.